Okay, welcome to 2013 Wild City Project Fair. We, the ecologists and climatologists group. I am Michaela, this is Jeff, this is Julia, this is Anthony, this is Joe, this is Destiny, and that is Avery. We hope you enjoy.
With this project, we worked with two community partners. We worked with Audubon Outdoor Nature Center, and they helped us get the GPS, which Jeff is holding, and the trail camera, which is on the tree. And we'll get to that stuff later, but with the Rubenstein Lab on Lake Champlain, we learned about sea layer prey and how they're invasive in Vermont. We learned about the water cycle and how it affects Lake Champlain. And with this project, we had three main goals. We hope to get a better understanding on how wildlife uses the EMS school campus. And the second one was to engage us students in methods, technologies, and concepts of that word, biology, wildlife management. And our third and final goal was share learned information with other classrooms in the middle school and give them a better understanding of what we're learning too.
The goal of our project is to help our community understand the possibly endangered and invasive species that might live on our campus. And we hope to spread the word about what animals we have found on our campus and teach others about them. And we'll be sharing our blog and map with the community.
So this is the map that we have. This is an ArcGIS map. Normally a subscription to this software, ArcGIS, costs about $1,500. However, we borrowed the National Audubon subscription, so we were able to, using a GPS, take a trail, say from several waypoints, and transmitting it through Google Earth and several other technical programs. And with large amounts of technical difficulties, we got it to ArcGIS. Now, this is the school that we're in right now, and each one of these camera icons is where we put a trail camera at one point. This red boundary is the boundary within which we took data of our campus. This new trail actually maps the part of the ravine that we placed a lot of our trail cameras in. It doesn't go all the way down because we didn't go that far. However, this purple track has disappeared apparently. Oh, there it is. This purple track was a skunk track that we followed. It went out of our boundary of even collecting, and then it went down a steep slope that we weren't able to follow. But now here's our vlog, and we have some of the footage that we captured with our trail camera. This is a coyote that we got roughly halfway through the ravine that we had a blue marker of. We baited this log with peanut butter, and it's kind of hard to see here, but it happened at 6:30 on February 2nd, roughly. And then we have some more video evidence.
Okay. This right here is a video that we got, of a fox. We put the trail camera for this video by a foxhole that is almost immediately outside of the school. And we caught that fox on video. Also in the same location, we got a skunk coming by. Yes, this one. No. Thank you. Just another video of the skunk. We also got a lot of squirrels on the trail camera, though we didn't show any of them here because most of them aren't very interesting. That video there was 2 in the morning. And this video here is also about a coyote that, if I can get it to work, is displaying interesting behavior. You can see it coming. Yeah. We baited this log with peanut butter too. You can see the coyote is nervously approaching the peanut butter log and then seems unsure whether it should be there or not, so it's displaying interesting behavior.
This is a different position than the
Yes.
daytime coyote.
Yes.
That was right around here-ish, I think. So
Yes.
this one.
And just for reference on the map, the place where we got the fox was over here.
We kind of have done like all of this without gen questions. If you don't know what gen questions are, they had questions that I answered over time. They're not like yes or no questions. And
Okay.
and one of them on how has climate change affected the ecology of Vermont, and we have a bunch of other ones too. And Julia's going to talk about some questions.
So back to the beginning of our project, we obviously had to do some research to find out what we wanted our ending product to be for our project. So along with the driving questions, we came up with sub-questions that were easier to answer questions. So the first week or so, we took researching some of the and creating these sub-questions. So some of them were how has climate changed in the past 100 years? How does the climate change affect the species around us? Is climate change in Vermont successful? Has humans impacted the climate change? And is there a pattern in climate change in Vermont? Lots of these questions were very helpful when we wanted to figure out what we wanted to learn about with these 4 themes. Each of us picked one theme to research about. Back to our blog, we each decided to research a species. We each picked one that we found in our own campus and researched about that. Here's an example of one. Each of them have video or photo evidence on them, and each of them have some more facts about them, scientific names, behavior, fun facts. That took about another week. We also learned a lot of things from our videos. That gave us a lot of information as well, since we learned the behavior of some of the animals in our own campus and how they behave, what times of day they come out, how they watch their territory, and how they mark their own territory.
Thank you for watching our presentation. Have a good day.